Bokeh Beauty, where we share creative inspo videos for content creators. My name is Grace. I'm a photographer and clean beauty blogger, and today at my home studio, we'll go behind the scenes of one of my recent photo shoots to examine how I captured these product photos using only natural light and a few props around the house. We'll also take a look at some easy styling tips and camera techniques to enhance the romantic feel to a scene. Here's the super simple lighting setup. I've placed a table near a bright window with ample indirect afternoon sunlight. I have my props and products styled in a flat lay with the tripod directly above it to capture short videos for Instagram stories. In terms of props, I absolutely love having a few stretch canvases around the house as they make for great portable backdrops. I used the flip side this time to take advantage of the creamy beige of the raw canvas fabric. These are relatively inexpensive and easy to find and can be used in so many ways. It's definitely something to look into if you're setting up a small home studio space for product photography, for its versatility, accessibility, lightness and weight, and compactness when storing. To add a little visual interest and a sense of movement to this shot, I introduced a little bit of tulle action here. I think this really enhances the romantic spirit of the scene. If you don't have tulle lying around, I've used lacy shirts, sheer scarves, and even the ends of ruffly dresses to create a similar effect. Something else to keep in mind if you're wanting to evoke a more romantic feel to your photos or videos is to shoot wide open. For those of you using DSLR and mirrorless cameras, this means turning your aperture to a low number. For me, 3.0 to 4.5 seems to be the sweet spot. If you're using your camera's phone, I recommend switching to portrait mode. Doing these things will allow just the subject to be in focus and softly blur out everything else so that your eye is immediately drawn to the main subject. This photo shoot was actually set up to showcase a few of the clean beauty products that I used for a recent peachy K-beauty inspired makeup video. If you're wanting to create a bright peachy makeup look, but only have pinks in your makeup collection, no worries. I've shared my very favorite ways to shop my own cosmetic collection and tailor blend a peach shade that just might become your new go-to look this summer. I'll leave the link in my description box below for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Bokeh Beauty for more photography tips, visual inspo for your next beauty content, and fun makeup and hair tutorials. Have a beautiful day.